Codependent relationship, with other words, is mutual agreement of exchanging physical or material needs. Is it that?
It is not. It's not a contract. If it is a contract, then it becomes very dirty.
Well, because this is codependent relationship. It's basically, it's not about love that we mistaken
Exactly,
for.
it's a contract,
Yeah.
And nowadays people get married, and before they get married, they have a notarial deed that your property belongs to you, my property belongs to me. So it's a contract. Now, in the East, in my understanding, there was no, so contractual marriages were not there. It became in fashion only, 1,000, 2,000 years ago, maybe less than that. Before that, marriages were not supposed to be contract.
Yeah, but maybe during these times, contracts are supposed to protect the women also, because there are many, women that are being not bullied. I don't know how to say the word.
Why
I don't
would you
remember the word.
marry somebody who can bully you, why would you marry such a person?
But that's what happens in the beginning. It's all lovely, and in the middle of it, then everything goes kaput. That's the thing.
In the beginning only, if you are just talking about codependency and this and that, you are preparing yourself to be disappointed.
That is true.
Yeah.
If based on that codependency. Okay. Then about relationship, can yoga fix relationship?
Yes. Yes.
In what way?
Yoga also can make you realize that these relationships are useless.
This is what I'm thinking.
Yeah.
Okay. If when we do yoga, because we realize more about ourselves, right? And then basically most of the problem is that with our partners, we cannot accept our partner because of this and this and that, right?
So you think by keeping your head down and raising your leg up, you can fix your relationship?
No, not in that sense. Not in that sense.
Then?
But then, feeling the connectedness and realizing what you need, and realizing also that people are different, right? And then I'm thinking, if you realize that person is different and the needs are different, then what's the point of being in the relationship? So
show me. No, I'm talking about, let's talk about yoga, okay? Because this question was mentioning about yoga, right?
Yes.
No, or you mentioned yoga.
Yoga, I mentioned yoga.
Okay, you mentioned yoga. If you're talking about yoga, give me in the Ashtanga yoga. Where is relationship coming in?
It's of course you can relate it to the yama niyama. No, yama.
Yama niyama is a relationship with the entire existence. You keep clean, you take care of this, you be disciplined, you be truthful. This is not with a person. This is with collectivity.
But isn't yoga supposed to make one feel more connected?
With collectivity, yes. With all.
Okay. So not
if you're talking about relationship with a man, with a woman, then you go to Saptapadi. Okay? You go to Saptapadi. There's a contract there. Okay, 7 steps.
Yeah.
There are seven clauses there. You go to Saptapadi. And Saptapadi, what does it say? The man has to bow down to the women first. I will do this, 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 this. Only then the woman says, okay, because you have said so, I take you as my husband. It is not like kissing each other and then best man is there and then finish I pronounce you as men and women.
But is Saptapadi also is but encouraging partners to couples to be in partnership, isn't it?
Exactly. Saptapadi is for us, for people who are mediocres.
Okay, mediocres.
for the workers. And then, of course, the contract is there. The breach of contract will be there. As long as there's a contract, there'll be a breach.
Mm.
There'll be a
As long-
fulfillment. There'll be a breach.
Because as
So
long as there's a
that you go to
contract.
Saptapadi. If you are interested with a relationship, then
Mhm.
you don't have to go through yoga. So what for? Yoga is not meant for that.
How about yoga, the practice of yoga? Because like you learn to calm yourself, you learn to be,
Mhm.
what do you call, to witness the mind and to slow down, and then you become more calm.
So you buy a A45 gun and then you want to shoot a mosquito, It's foolish.
Then
If you want to do something on relationship, go to Saptapadi. Don't even talk about yoga. Go to Saptapadi. There's a contract there. Follow the contract and get ready. There may be a breach of contract. So, that is Saptapadi's story. This is not the jurisdiction of yoga. Doesn't come under the same jurisdiction.
Okay, so for the sake of this discussion about relationship,
yes.
What if, like, in the relationship, they fight with each other because the other person is not patient enough to listen, and the other person is like, I don't know, I'm not really caring to bother to listen also. But with meditation, it helps to still the mind.
I have no problem. You can buy a gun and try to shoot mosquitoes. All right. I have no problem at all. If you are lucky enough to shoot the mosquito, fine. I'm trying to say that if you really have to kill the mosquito, buy a mosquito repellent or the spray,
Okay.
Why do you want to use yoga for that? Please, yoga is something very precious. You go to Saptapadi, take care of your relationship with Saptapadi, not with yoga.